Guys, what's up? Adam here with Indie Farm Life. It is just gross today. It's like 31 or 32 degrees, half snow, half rain, and yet here I am outside in all of it. But I'm gonna light a fire, play cleanup. I'm gonna burn all this stuff behind me from when the Woodmizer was here. Gonna get the tractor out, move my telephone poles out of the way, because you can see the brush pile right there. That's gonna be burned. So I'm gonna make the best out of a pretty awful day. Everyone else is probably sitting inside all cozy, and I'm gonna make the outside cozy. Maybe I'll cut a tree down or two, who knows. It's not permissible though to do any work at the farm if you don't have a barn fire going. So at least in here it's relatively warm. It smells good too. All right, let's get this little girl out. I gotta hook up the grapple. That fire's roaring down there. All right, the first task of the day is just to kind of move some of this junk right here so I can come through with the tractor. I'm going to grab a few of these logs and lay them out on the ground, and then put the telephone poles on top of those to keep them up off the ground so they don't rot, and probably place them somewhere over here by my trailer. I started putting some of those old logs there, but realized that there weren't going to be enough of them that were the right height to make it work. So I'm just going to use some of these pieces from when we milled. But now it's time to play adult Lincoln logs, as I like to call it. That's way better than when I was a kid playing Lincoln logs. I'm freezing. Time to light a huge fire. Well, it's kind of going, but really need to get this thing to the next level so that I can start feeding it with the tractor. So, given the way the wind's blowing, I'm gonna see if I can't turn the pile over on itself so that it's actually burning wood and not just up in the air. Then we can start feeding it. We'll give it 10. I don't have the patience to wait. Well, I imagine it's probably enough wood for the next 10 or 15 minutes. It's gonna be a minute here, but when this thing catches up, this is going to be an absurd fire. I don't know, I think I'm gonna be cold in about 20 minutes. What I found. Fire looks good, doesn't it? Okay, time for the fun part. To play cleanup and make this thing rage. What do you think about that, huh?
Need a metal one? Yeah. Velvet, or Vegas? That is a nice little plier. All the wood dust on the back of it needs to be moved. Need to roll the plier.
As far as burned down quite a bit, we're just hanging around, chatting for a while. I'm gonna grab the tractor and push it back together, then probably get out of here. To say it's a little warm standing right here is a bit of an understatement. I can start to smell the detergent coming out of my clothes. As always though, appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out this video. I know it didn't have a lot of useful information in it, but hopefully it had some entertainment value nonetheless. It's really hot right here. If you want to hit that subscribe button, come back and see us. Hope to see you guys around the channel. Take care. Woo! Man.